Hi folks, it's a beautiful morning here in Kildare. We are nearly halfway through our Kickstarter, but we're only 2% of the way towards our goal. So I thought I'd do a quick video to remind you what's in it for you. So in most Kickstarters, you pre-purchase a product, you pre-purchase a gadget. With us, you're pre-purchasing a gift, because our real product is time. 2.5 months of your life. Yes, it's intangible. I can't put it in an envelope. I can't send it to you, but it's a lot more valuable than some gadget. So you get a Kickstarter gift and you get 2.5 months of your life that you'd otherwise spend standing in queues waiting for service. But that's not all. Unlike most other Kickstarters, we also have 2,000 euros of Amazon voucher gifts to give away for free when our Kickstarter is closed. I'll go on Facebook Live, I'll put everyone's name in the hat one by one, and I'll pull out 4 lucky winners to each take a share in 2,000 euros of Amazon voucher gifts. But that's not all. In addition, not only do you get your Kickstarter gift, not only do you get your name in the hat for the Amazon vouchers, not only do you save yourself and others the misery of queuing, but you're also going to get your money back in the form of Dine voucher credits. Every single backer is going to get credits to use on our Dine system so that you can redeem for coffee and food and lunch and so on. So you're also going to get your money back. And last but not least, you get a huge thank you from myself and the team to save people from the misery of queuing and to help us build an ethical, socially responsible business that can do some good. Thank you very much. Please back us on Kickstarter. Please ask your friends and family to do the same. We'll get this thing moving. Thank you.